My West Highland Terrier had a yearly dental cleaning, and I asked, how do I avoid the tartar buildup that he had? And he suggested I brush his teeth. So I use the Arm & Hammer every morning on my teeth. So I picked up the Arm & Hammer Fresh Breath Toothpaste for Dogs. This is the dental kit. And this is the chicken flavor, which caught Fred's attention right off the bat. So for me, it's going to take a little practice. I did it a couple times, but the brush was more challenging for me. I felt like it was more of a fight. The finger was a lot easier for me, and I was able to get into Fred's mouth with less fuss. But in any event, it is just like regular toothpaste. I'll show you what it looks like. And I just put a dash on here, and then I just get in Fred's mouth and worked it through the teeth. If your dog would let you, this dual brush is very nice, but the Fingerbrush worked well in my case. When I was done, after a couple times, I noticed that his breath doesn't smell that bad. But like I said, he just had his teeth cleaned. So, and the Arm & Hammer, I do appreciate the baking soda and the enzymes, which is going to get them all cleaned without any irritation. But would I buy it again? Absolutely. It was cost effective. It was effective for what I needed it to do. And Fred didn't hate it, which really did say a lot. This kit definitely made the dental care quick and manageable, and I liked the Fresh Breath bonus. I do recommend.